Let us see how to create this part in SolidWorks. So first create the cylinder. Inner radius is 40 mm and then outer radius is 30. Open new part design. Okay. So first select the front plane, top plane, sketch, create a circle, 40, 40 mm diameter and outer radius is 30, that is 60 diameter. And then exit from the sketch. Go to features, extrude, height is 60 mm, and then OK. Now let us create this feature. That is 75 mm length for the center of the circle, 20 and then 23. Sketch, draw the circle, 75 mm distance, and diameter is 20 and 23 radius. 46 diameter, and make it horizontal. Select this point and this point, make it horizontal, and draw the line. Make it horizontal. Now trim it. Now convert using convert entities, extract the edge and then give out. Trim this outside circle. Now exit from the sketch. Extrude. Reverse direction. 15 mm right. Then now let us create this feature. That is 60 plus 50, 75 and 60. Select display, sketch, draw the line, make it horizontal, distance from here to here is 75, make this one tangent to this edge, this one to this one, tangent. Now extract this edge, using convert entities. Now trim this part of the circle and exit from the sketch. Extrude. Extrude 15 mm and then OK. Now draw this feature, that is 16 to 15. Select this part, this surface for the sketch. Is 15. Then exit from the sketch and then extrude. Height is 30. And then OK. Now, now let us create this feature, that is 10 width. Select the surface, sketch, draw a line, exit from the sketch. Now select remove feature to create this feature. Direction, change the extrusion direction. Now click OK. So the feature is created. Now create a holes here and here. We have to create these two holes. That is 16 dia and 15 depth and 12.5 from the side. Select this plane for sketch. Sixteen depth. 15 depth. In diameter. 12.5 from the edge. Point 5 from edge and then exit. Now extrude cut and then OK. Now we have to create this feature. It is 25 from the cylinder. Select the front plane for sketch. So it's 25. This 5 then OK. This is extrude. You select the mid plane and this is 10 mm. and so this completes the part. So to change the appearance, we can select edit appearance and you can select the color. So this completes the part design. Thanks for watching.